On the left-hand side, go to Apps, and in the Apps, search for Animify. Click Enter, and we're going to use this app to turn any image into anime art. So first step, you're going to have to upload an image or select one of your designs to turn into anime. So I've already downloaded an image that I want to turn into anime art. So I'm just going to choose File, select the image. Now you have different styles that you can choose from. So you can pick the one that you want to turn this into anime art. And you can also add custom instructions as well. So Canva will do its best to try to incorporate everything into your image when it's turning it into anime art. So for example, I can write this. You can preserve the original composition of the image if you wish to do so. And let's see what Canva gives us here. So I'm just going to select Animify Image. This is the result, and it actually looks really good. So you can either add this to the design or you can generate it again. So I'm pretty satisfied with the results here. So I'm just going to add this to my design. So this is the final result. This is the original image on the left-hand side, and this is the anime image on the right-hand side. So really awesome. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.